Imagine yourself finally getting into your dream master's degree at a top university abroad, getting your MBA from Stanford, or your LLM from Yale, or even your Master's of Engineering from MIT. Sounds great, doesn't it? Now, let's make your dream into a reality. Hi everyone, I'm Angel from All In Eduspace, and today I'm going to break down the very important steps you need to know before pursuing your master's degree. There are two big phases for you. The first one is the pre-application, and the second one is the application itself. Without further ado, let's talk about the first phase. First phase, master's degree pre-application. Your motivation. It is highly important for you to ask yourself, is it really the right decision? And that you have the bold motivation to continue studying for a master's degree. There are 3 questions that you can ask to ensure yourself. Let's start with question number 1. Where do you want to be in the next 3 to 5 years? Every plan needs a foundation, and so does yours. Make your personal and professional goals clear and how getting a master's degree can help you achieve them. People often say, I need to learn more advanced skills, or I need more knowledge in my specific career field, or they need to network more. But these answers are still in the gray area, and most importantly, it doesn't really answer the big, bulky question of why. Why do you need to scale up? Why do you need more network? And why does leveling up for a master's degree could help you achieve your goals? So you're gonna make your short-term goals clear, and we're ready to go to the next question. How do you get there? After making sure of what you want to do in the future, now it's time to dig deeper in your capability and research about the skills and knowledge required to achieve your goals. Looking for alternative pathways to your dream is also very important because there are many ways to learn. You can take a look at other people's experiences and align them with your skills and knowledge so that you can see whether you can follow their path. And after doing some research, it's time to break down the pros and cons. What are the benefits and costs for each path? What kind of value can you get from each path? And lastly, how impactful does each path bring? Doing this research should be easy for you, and we finally come to the final question. Are you ready to prepare the roadmap? Let's be realistic here. You are going to make a grand plan for yourself, and there are many things for you to consider. So don't take it as a piece of cake. It's just like a business plan, but you are the business. Break down some major things such as risk versus rewards, details about what you're going to do, how long does it take, the cost, the benefits, and if it's worth investing in. Be clear and concise when you're answering those questions. And just like Benjamin Franklin said, if you fail to plan, then you are planning to fail. And now let's move on to the next step. Shortlisting universities. And now we're getting into the fun yet challenging part. Shortlisting your university choices. You can make a list about 3 to 5 universities to make sure your options are ready. And here are how you can narrow down your university list. 1. Decide which university is a good fit. High-ranked university does not always mean that it will suit your needs. After breaking down your motivations and goals to choose which programs that may suit you, now you have to make sure that the program you choose will give you the opportunity to learn and gain the knowledge that you need. The important thing is, do not choose a school based on its ranking, but make sure that the university and its major is going to fit your goals in the future. 2. Find out the common characteristics of the university students. Universities and students are kind of like lovebirds because it's a two-way situation if we want to see it that way. As a student, you want to get the knowledge, the experiences, and also the network from the university. But in return, they also want you to contribute back to the university and the society as a student and alumni. That's why universities tend to choose candidates that have certain characteristics that fit the institution's vision and mission. So, how do you know what these characteristics are? it all comes down to research again. Do your own research on the universities. It could be from publicity materials, university info sessions, or you can ask directly to the admissions officers or the professors there, and many more. 3. Be the right candidate. Is the shortlisting process done? Not yet. You have to make sure that you are the right candidate for the universities you listed by being aware of these things. Compare what they are looking for with your current profile. Do you fit in the criteria? And if not, how can you develop yourself to fit those criteria? Asking yourself these questions will help you later in the application phase, which we will talk about in another video. So make sure you subscribe and hit our notification bell for more videos like this. Well, those are the 2 steps in the pre-application process that you need to do before you get into the application process for your master's degree. The first step in this phase is all about you and your motivation. We highly recommend you to determine these foundations first so that you can be mentally ready and well prepared. Because leveling up to a master's degree is a really big journey for you. You're going to leave a lot of things behind, such as your family, your home, your friends. You're also going to spend a lot of money, time, and effort to prepare for this. So remember, you need to define your goals clearly and plan how you will achieve it. Then you can continue to list down 3 to 5 universities, but make sure that these universities are the right ones for you and vice versa. Thank you for watching our explanation about the first phase to pursue your master's degree. In the next phase, we are going to discuss about the application to the universities, which consists of making a strategy, preparing for the required tasks, making your financial plan for your studies, letters of recommendations, and making your personal statement. If you want to prepare for your master's degree, you can join our graduate admissions mentoring program for personalized and tailored mentoring sessions to get you into your dream graduate schools. Click the link in the description box to find out more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Bye-bye!